So today we are sitting in a 2023 BMW 330i. This is going to be a how-to video. The reason why I'm so excited about this video is it's not just how to roll the windows down or how to put it in drive. We're going to learn how to put it in launch control. 3 easy steps. Let's check this out. All right, so now that we're ready to put this baby into launch control, few easy steps. All right, first thing we're gonna do is press the traction button. You're gonna see up on here, the screen, gonna press traction off. You see dynamic traction control activated right on the center console right there. I'm sorry, on the center dash. Next, we're going to put it into sport mode. Not sport individual, but sport mode. In other models with this Sport Plus, gonna put it into Sport Plus, but in the 330i, put it right into sport. Now, when you put it into gear, we're going to pull the lever back not once, but twice. Once is gonna put it into drive, twice is gonna put it into sport drive. Now we are ready to go, okay? So as simple as it is, you wanna use your left foot on the brake all the way down, put all your pressure on it. Your right foot on the gas, pull it all the way down, and you will see on the gauge cluster a little icon that says this: launch control active. Now, at that point, all you gotta do is keep your right foot down, take your left foot off, and you are gone, my friend. That's how you lose it. That's how you use launch control in a brand new 330i. I'll talk to you guys soon.